In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Dream League 2025 multiplayer. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add your friends and connect with other players so you can do Dream League 2025 multiplayer. In order to do this, open the latest version of the game. Make sure that you and your friends all have the latest version running. Now, if you want to add each other so you can see your details in each other's leaderboards and so on, tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen and then go to the friends icon. So it is going to be right here. When you tap the friends icon, you will see the main options to connect with other people. Friends. Add friends to compare XP, rank, and medals. Get started by creating a code or entering one from a friend. So if you want to generate your code, tap here. You will be given your code. You can copy this and send it to your friends. If you want to add them, choose the option to add a friend and then input the friend code here. As long as both of you do the same and you input each other's friends code, you will get a notification and you are going to appear on the friends list and vice versa. And once you have all of your friends listed here, you can compare XP, the current season, and so on. You can have up to 100 friends. So it is simple to manage this and to add each other. If you want to do a friend match, then you will have to go into Dream League Live. I don't have this unlocked, but if you do, choose this option and inside you will be able to find Friend Match. When you go to the Dream League Live tab, you will find Friend Match at the top. So all that you have to do now is choose this option, Friend Match within Dream League Live. Now this will give you a prompt where you can input a code. What you have to do is type the same code between you and your friend. So type a particular combination of letters or numbers, and you and your friend will have to search at the same time. So you will be here, number 1, they will be number 2. Once both of you have the same code here, just tap the option to search. And once both of you tap search with the same code, the game is going to match you up together for a friend match. You will see all of the details here, you will see your ranks, and you both will be connected together. I recommend choosing a very random code, that way no one else is going to queue up at the same time as you two. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Dream League 2025 multiplayer. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.